guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to talk about decorating for winter after you put your holiday decor away. Now yes, mine is still out because my son is coming hopefully, and I want to leave it out until after he leaves because he's only going to be here a few days, and I thought he might like to see it because he hasn't been home in a long time. So excuse the Christmas decor still being out, but that's okay because we can still talk winter decor, no problem, and I can give you some ideas. So when you're decorating for winter, you can pretty much use things you already have, or you can purchase, up to you. What I like to do for winter decor is use a lot of natural elements, like faux looking wood things, like this little barn door that I got in the Target dollar spot. It was $3. It's so cute. I like to use things like crates. Again, perfect for winter decor. Metals are good. Metal bucket with natural element pine cones. These trees that I used for Christmas also will look good for winter because they're not really a holiday. They're just a tree. Also fruit, some fake pears will look great in a holiday display. Our wooden beads, these I painted. If you saw that video about my boho decor, I'll link it above. These will actually be in my bedroom as boho decor as we go through that transformation in a month or so. But right now, I can use them for winter decor because the beads that I painted are just going to give a little pop of color, which you definitely need because if you aren't careful, winter decor can tend to be kind of washed out and bland because we're using so many natural elements. So we need that pop. You could also use some berry sprigs from your holiday decor. You can use white pine cones because, of course, snow. White buckets, and this one actually has a snowflake embossed on it. I could take some blue ink and go over it and it would make it pop. I have my trusty battery operated candles, which I love, and I have this little set of houses that came from the dollar spot at Target as well. When I got the door and the trees, I also picked up this. It came in a set of 3 houses. And you might say, well, those are cute, but they're a little plain for me. What I would say then is tape off about a quarter or a third of the bottom and paint it a black, a navy, whatever color you have in your home that it can work into your decor maybe after winter, or if you're going to just have them out for winter, then paint the bottom half whatever color you would like. Like I think I would like a dark navy or a dark blue, maybe not quite a navy on the bottom. And that will make them pop. It will tie them into the rest of my winter decor, but they won't be so plain as they are right now, being with nothing but the wood and their little metal fireplace. And metal and blues are really complementary, so that's another reason I think a blue would look really good on the bottom. So we'll do that. So let me clear off some of this Christmas and I'll show you how to do a really cute winter table display. And I'll also take you to maybe a coffee table or an end table and show you how to set up a smaller winter display. For a winter table, you can keep your green. I have a dark green tablecloth on. That's great. It's pretty. It goes with the winter kind of, I'm going to go for a winter woodlands kind of decor for my winter. So I could use a blue, a navy blue runner, which would look beautiful. I have this sweater runner that I got this year that I'm absolutely obsessed with. And it's just gorgeous, but it's actually feels like a cable knit sweater. It is amazing. And I will definitely put this down below, and I'll link the blue one too. Or you can use your good trusty burlap, because again, that very much screams woodland and winter to me. The texture, it gives texture. But you know me, I'm going to go with my cable knit sweater table runner because I'm obsessed with this thing. Okay, so for winter, I'm going to put this down. Okay, there you can see I have my cable knit sweater table runner down, and it's just to die for. Like I said, I'm obsessed with this. It's so fun, especially for a winter table. It just looks really cute. I think I'm gonna put my trees on one end of the display like that. The other end, I'm gonna have my candles, and in between I could put my houses. And because of the darkness of the table runner, I could actually just leave the houses plain wood if I wanted to. And then to give it some interest, I could put a couple of pears out. Oh, they're too big. Let's throw a couple of these little white pine cones, and we'll throw some regular pine cones out just to give it a little more interest. There. And there is one way to do. So there you get an idea of what a winter display would look like. It's very simple, very clean, but it's also really adorable. Now let me show you something else you can do. Maybe you don't have the houses, or you don't want to go look for them. Something else really cool would be to got these little snowshoes at the Dollar Tree, at the dollar section at Target as well. And they are so cute and perfect for winter. What you could do is use those with a stuffed animal, maybe a bear that has a sweater and a hat like this one does. Isn't he cute? Where's his ear? Got his ear out. There we go. And have him like holding the little snowshoes. There we go. And then put our candles and a couple of our pine cones again like that. And then there again you have a super cute little, let's bring it this way. There you have a super cute little vignette, winter vignette, using a stuffed animal and the shoes from the Target dollar spot. Or you could take the shoes away and just use the bear alone. You could put a pine cone in his lap. So just use your imagination. Winter decor does not have to be boring, and it doesn't have to be, you know, the same old thing. Now, we have, if you don't like the teddy bear, you can use the wooden door and put it up like that, and then use some fake fruit. Use your pine cones in there, and then bring in your candles a little bit more and have it a little closer, and bring in one tree instead of two, and you have a really cute little setting that way as well. Now, maybe you don't want to do your table. Maybe you want your table just clean. You're tired of having it all decorated. Then definitely use just a few things. Put your there. Put some fruit and a pine cone in a little bucket, and it can be a metal bucket or a white one. Take your door, and you can set that on a table by itself, and I will show you in just a second. something like that. You could also bring in one candle and have just a little set like that on a table. If you don't want to use the door, you could use multiple buckets, a white and a metal, and a candle on a table. Use the higher candle to get the height. Because remember, as you're doing this, you just need to have differing heights, because the differing heights add the interest. The differing heights add in the interest. As you can see, we have different heights, so your eye travels. Go back and say you just want to use like a couple of things and not go to a lot of trouble. You can just set out your houses. You don't even have to use all of your houses. You could just set out 2 if you go get that. Very cute. Like I said, we're going to paint the bottom half blue, and I'll show you with them actually in place at the end of the video. This is just to give you some ideas for winter decor that maybe you already have some things you can use, how to manipulate your things. Maybe go out and look for a couple of these items. You know, it's totally up to you. I'm just giving you a bunch of ideas. The last idea is if you have any garland left over after the holiday, what you can do is just take some flat spray paint in white and paint your garland and use that at the base along with your table runner, or just down the center of a table with your items, or on a smaller table you could just cut off so much of the garland and paint that way and use that on a small end table with your houses or trees or whatever else you decide to decorate with. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure and hit that subscribe button with that little bell, because my massive reorganization cleaning of my creative space is going to be up Friday, and you don't want to miss it. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell for notifications. You don't want to miss it. Also, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite winter decor that you put out? Do you put out winter decor? Take care, have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.